right? Make sure you participate in this. This is another second Notcoin project. So I'm going to share the link on my description below on YouTube. Click on it and it will direct you to this bot. Make sure you are part of this. In just in 2 weeks, I hope to just in 1 week, and it's not up to 2 weeks, 1 week, and they already hit 8 million subscribers. It's not easy to do this, so I'm going to share the link on my description. So you click on Notcoin app, click on the app, you see, I go to Notcoin. You see, when you click on play game, you see, it's their second project. We are done with the tapping, it's finished. So we are now for the lost dog story. You see, sorry for that. Then you play the game. Just click on the link. It will still take you to this place. You have to vote. Every day they issue you 3 cards. So the cards are here. So you vote for 1 card. Once you vote, whether you lose or you win, boon will be given to you, right? So make sure you vote. Perform your tax here too. Yeah, do your tax. Here are the tax. Screw up. So join the, click on it to direct you. So I've joined all. See, say connect wallet with Notcoin. Balance must be at least 125 Notcoin. I don't have Notcoin in that wallet, so make sure you join all this to increase your balance, to increase your bone balance, right? So that is it. This lost dog, you can also search for it here. It's the same thing. It's just that I wanted to do it from Notcoin app, so it is the same. See, it is the same. Just click on the link. It will direct you to this place. Make sure you participate on this airdrop. Thank you. Subscribe to our channel, our YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button, and be part of this Web3. Don't miss out in any of our updates. Thank you.